Hey, Kevin here, and this video is for my absolute beginners. So today what we're going to focus in on is just the strings. So let's start with them, and we'll start with the numbers and then we'll name them, okay? So if we start at the very bottom, the very first string, this little string here, you play it open, that's one. One. The next string is your second string. The next string is the third string. Okay, next, the fourth string. Next string is your fifth string. And then you have your sixth string at the very top. Okay, let's play it. Play along with me. We're going to hit them 3 times. We'll start with the first string. Ready, begin. That's the first string. Next string, second string. Ready, begin. That's the second string. Going to the third string. Ready, begin 3 times. Okay, next string is your fourth string. Next string is your fifth string. Ready, begin. Now let's go to the sixth string. Ready, begin. Very good, very good. Now let's name the strings. We know the numbers. Now let's name the strings, okay? And this is going to be for your homework assignment. Make sure you do this, okay? So let's start with the first string. The very first string is your E string. E, that's E. Your second string is your B string. B, B, B. Your next string would be your third string, and that would be G. G, G, G. Your very next string is your fourth string, and that would be your D string. D, D. All right, now let's go to the next one, which is your fifth string, which is A. A, A, A. And finally, your sixth string on the very top, E, E, E. Now, if you notice, your first and your sixth string had the same name. Well, how is that possible? Because what they call that is an octave, and we'll get into that a little later. But just to understand why they're named the same is because they are called an octave and they have the same name, but the frequency is a little different. One is lower than the other. This is low E and high E. So you have some homework. I want you to study that. And in our next video, what we'll do is we'll cover more information about the things that we love. Thank you for viewing. And guess what? I promise I'm going to see you in the next video.